I think we need to support our guys here, but I just don't know the best plan to do it.
Where's everybody at?
We've got
a small task force over here, and everyone else is flanking out.
yeah 3 or 4 guys are right over here, but most of the team is flanking up that way.
But they're trapped up there.
For scenario, we have to take Enders, which is this building over here. That's right.
And have Dark Knight down
We
that
have to
way.
take Dark Knight, which is down at the pond, the unfinished building, and then we have to take Red Queen, which is the revenue building.
Okay.
So we have to take the 3. Right now, our small force is trying to take Enders, but we can't seem to find a way in, and their respawn is this yellow tractor range.
Which
Okay.
is again, it's a one-sided fight.
So we basically can't approach it from the same, which sucks because we're approaching it from the same.
Yeah, we got 2 in the building. But you got guys down, hey, you got guys down in the bushes there.